Did you know? A lot of Americans don't realize Achilles tendon tears are more common than you might think, especially during sports, workouts, or sudden moves. This tendon, right at the back of your ankle, is one of the strongest in the body, and when it snaps, it's serious business. Tears can be partial or complete, making walking, running, or even climbing stairs very difficult. Surgery is the most common fix. Under anesthesia, the doctor makes a small incision, finds the torn ends, and stitches them back together. Think of it like sewing two thick ropes, secure, tight, and strong enough to handle stress. Afterward, the foot is put in a cast or boot for several weeks.